Hello, ultimate that you're free. I gonna do all my U flashlight me use through the year and show you what may got, show you what my top 6 U flashlight right here. I want to do review one of my favorite, and I hope one day to get my brand new Olight flashlight I just lost. I hope one day get that flashlight. Hope me get was pretty good. Hope me get it soon, maybe this year or next year. One flashlight I really want. It's really cool build on it. We'll talk about it. I'm closer halfway through the build. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, see the video begin, and like, comment, share the bell button at begin and share. I'll show you my top 6 flashlight here used and what word and don't word. All here are battery power. Which one's dark? I'll show you this flashlight we got on my May 16th birthday. It's Ether bit. That one require AA battery. Then one comes with a thing go on your arm, like it dress here. It's a cheap material flashlight, and this one is made in China. I'm not blinking, you can blind yourself. Here comes a flashlight we use, and I forgot how much using this one had. It is made of a type of translucent material, really cheap flashlight. Maybe get $2 from it, online for it, or somewhere cheaper. And this one is one of the can't flashlight. I use it many times, but not anymore. It comes with a pocket quid, different a illusion dial flashlight with a grapple there, but then require a triple or AA battery. That one go out, then we go in. That's a little upgrade. Okay. It's a budget flashlight. Really cheap to buy. Before I sold the middle one. And this one sounded like that one. That one got a little older, same dial flashlight. That one comes with a pocket quid. White, I think a white side carry or left side carry. Main flashlight. I used it once, but it won't work anymore. It's called True Anal Double with a belt. Let's say put a liner on it. The other one is illusion with a button on top with a True logo. Oh, then I don't want to do that. Maybe you want it won't work anymore. It's really cool with the flashlight, but it won't work anymore. It's called True Adult AA. And another different illusion flashlight. That one is just turn like this. That one got a bigger. Oh, I got a button up top, the orange button. That one a liner put one on your arm, with a dress right there. That one comes with no pocket quid. Here's zoom in or out. Oh, they want one using to at 1, 2, 25, 50, 100, and then we'll go up to 200 units. Just turn it, and I'm a bigger bird. I want to make a little bit blast Newton. I used it many times, but need a change battery of that. Then we'll acquire a AA battery. Multiple AA battery or multiple AAA battery in that. And hold on, this with my camera over here. Like that. And this one we use many times. It comes with a thread to put on your belt or put a giant liner on it. Then comes a plastic casing with a tight navy green color. On a green color with a water top of it. Different color, multiple color. That one comes with red. Comes with a then white. That one comes with red, green, and red and green. And this one is a call. Duh. I hope we got a name right. Olight Flashlight. That one made a tight hard plastic material with a water grit there. And water, that peat will take off. That one take off. Maybe we'll place one of you pieces. Maybe I'll take this piece off to do banquet on it. And put one on. Then one always fall off. One of my favorite flashlights. Because it got a cutter to it. And definitely acquire I can know how to take the battery out there and the plastic button here, water button. Add all my U flashlight here. And my next flashlight, and one of my flashlight I lost is a one Olight flashlight, got 150 units. It required a 1 triple battery on it, up to the 150 units. I lost that one, called the crit fall right off. I can't know how the lost the crit, and I think we lost up the campsite. I don't matter what mode plan another. I think ITC flashlight. I got a bot, but I don't have time to get it. And a one flashlight, I hope one day we get it this year or next year. It's a really cool multi-swing flashlight. It's called Olight. Oh, what is in a mall name? It's a brand from Olight. What is a brand? Hold on. Hold on, let's just see what my Olight name. Olight Art. We call Olight Arkfeld UV flashlight. Got a multiple different kind of design on it, different kind of color, and that one got about 140 units, 9 times more my flashlight used to got, and we just lost. And this flashlight, I hope when I get is 140 units, come with a charger thing put on the back to charge it, and I had to take the battery out. You got the charger on the bottom to charge it. So Olight Art see UV. And one I looked at called Sunbird is a little distant one. And checked on the Moonmar site, $59.95 for it. Almost $60 for it. That price I hope one day we get. But my birthday passed, meaning I can't get it because my birthday already passed. See what this on. Go to Olight.com and get it, or go on Moonmar to get it. Amazon, any of those sites will get that Olight Arkfeld UV. That'd be my future flashlight. Higher upgrade for my flashlight I used to got lost. One day I'm gonna get that flashlight. Until then, I'll tell you what. Until then, I get that flashlight. I'll tell you my U flashlight collection right here. I call it Tyler Butel my top set U flashlight I collect. I use this one many times. I use this one once in a while. I use it once, and I use that one. I just use it one to see the work. I use one of the build time. And here are all my top set U flashlight I collect. I use almost all of them. And I used to use my old life flashlight I used to got, but I lost it. I just said it in the bureau. And hope one day I get my update Olight flashlight called Olight Arkfeld, not Pro, Olight for the Swinner one. You know one. I don't know if that maybe got more future to it. Like they thought on it. It got one. Oh yeah, that flashlight will come with UV light there. And my cat loves playing around later. That one come with a laser with it. That'll play the cat loves playing around later. Come with a green laser for it too. And come with I think with the upgrade part for it. It got a Dan for the Olight brand model on it. One got a magnet under it. So many tight bloody detail of that Olight art thing. That'll be a cool flashlight we get for the collection. For the EDC collection. And it come with a potter quit. But my old light potter quit keep popping right off. But this one called Arkfeld got one glue right on. You can't ever take it off unless you use a torch glue to remove it. That'd be my dream flashlight. That would be really cool in my EDC gear carry this week. Until then we get it, I'll show you what my set U flashlight. What else talk about this flashlight? I'll take out all of my flashlight and show you my U one. Wow! Oh yeah, I got my headlamp too. I'm talking about flashlight because not a headlamp. Maybe one day to do a review of my headlamp review. Only got two review of. I got two headlamps in my collection right now. That one far down the future. I don't know if we get it or not. I hope one day get that Olight Arkfeld. Really cool in that Sunbird. Hope one day we get it. Wow, how you enjoy my toasted U flashlight review I show you. Hope you enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe. See the video. Watch me begin and see you next time. Better be awesome. See you next time and see you next video. And hope the one day get that Olight Arkfeld UV. So then, see you next video.